So you want to enable the custom SMTP on Supabase because you don't like that their rate limit is 4 emails per hour, and also you know you're going to need it eventually in production, so you want to use Amazon SES. So what you want to do is come to Amazon SES and get set up. You're going to want to verify an email address. This is important because in sandbox mode, you can only send emails to verified emails. So an issue I had was I verified my email thinking I just had to verify my account email, and I was trying to send sign-up confirmations to a different email and it kept failing, and I was like, why? So for testing, you want to verify the email address that you're going to use to sign up. After you do that, you're going to verify your domain, which you're going to go to domain, you're going to type in your domain, and you're going to hit add. It's going to give you CNAME records, which you're going to put into your domain provider, and you're going to let them propagate. And it's going to take a little bit, but eventually they're going to work. And then you're going to be on this screen. It's going to look like this because everything's going to be verified. You're going to go to your SMTP settings. So the host is this. You're going to copy that, put it in there. The port number is one of these. I just use 587. And then here's the important part, your username and your password. You're going to want to create SMTP credentials. It's going to come up here. You're going to give it a username and you're going to create the user. It's now going to give you the SMTP username, which goes here, and the password, which is in here. You're going to copy and paste that here. You should probably hit this button because once you hit return to console, this is gone forever. So probably download the CSV and return. So once you have all that figured out, you're going to then go up here and you're going to make a sender email and a sender name. These can be anything. This is not real email. Then you're going to hit save. So here's my sign up page. You should already have this working with Supabase's built-in email provider, but now you're just switching to this. So you're going to want to hit sign up, and you got no errors, so it's going to go through. And boom, the email is here. If I click on this, you can see it was sent from the Amazon SES, so it is correct. And everything works the same way. It's just being sent from this provider as opposed to Supabase's built-in one, and the rate limit is based on what you want it to be for what you're willing to pay for from Amazon. But thank you for watching. If that helped you, make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more videos about me building my startup or Supabase stuff, whatever you want to do. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.